that's a badass leg too. I think
With
49.
the big 528 is Tim and Kyle.
That makes I'm embarrassed to take that from you.
Second place, $62. 547 is Drew Barber.
Oh, there's Drew.
Boy.
See? Yeah. Still did okay.
Gas money.
They're splitting it up between us already. You didn't get your time.
And I even started late.
Gas money.
You only get $42. I know. You got the 20?
Maybe in the boat for one day.
I was even late.
And first place for $94, Randy Norris with 824.
Good job, Randy.
Good job, Randy.
Thank you.
Especially for today.
Congratulations.
Big bass, $80.
Damn.
Two in a row.
Tim James, 386 smallmouth.
All right.
Congratulations.
Good job.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good job, Until next time.
Had that fish before 7 o'clock. this morning.
Oh,
See you next
yeah.
time. See you next time. Have a good one.
Couldn't get one to go with me. I couldn't help him at all.
Did you get it?
Where's next weekend, guys?
I guess that's pretty good.